Hi guys, so you know that I love a good winter treatment, and one of the treatment that I like the most is skin peels. Now skin peels is something that we can use and do for many different issues and skin problems and conditions, like just for the dull skin, acne, rosacea, rejuvenation, pigmentation. There's so many different colors and skin conditions that we can treat by using a good skin peel. I use a different variety, I like different brands for different things, but today I'm going to show you one of my favorite brands, which is Cosmo Pro. Cosmo Pro, they do a lovely range, and today I'm going to use Derma Peel on me. So they have a lovely range, which I'll take a little photo for you guys and you can see the range. So Kylie's going to do a peel, and hopefully we'll be able to film these 3 stages so you actually see what a skin peel feels like before and after, and most importantly what the stages are for the skin peel. So yeah, I'm excited. I'm gonna have this done in a few minutes. So you always cleanse your face before a skin peel. You want to make sure that the skin is nice and clean. It's very important to make sure that we remove all the cleanser. Okay, so now we put it on something called prep, which is you prepping the skin before a skin peel. And normally what a prep is the solution that removes the grease from the skin. So less oil and better skin penetration really. So what happens is that the peel will move and penetrate better. So that's what the prep normally do. They decrease the oil. Okay, so the skin has been prepped, and now Carly, she is applying the peel, and the first layer is gonna go on for 5 minutes, and then we are gonna apply a second layer for another 5 minutes. It's feeling a little bit tingling, but nothing crazy. So now Carly is doing something called tapping technique, which helps with the heat, because the peel feels a little tingling, which is totally normal. By doing this movement, you just kind of helping patients to feel a bit more comfortable. Okay, so the first layer is on. Carly, can you show the peel? Yeah, like that. That's fine. So the first layer is on. I'm getting a little bit pink, which is totally normal, but it's not painful at all. And now we're gonna apply the second layer within a couple of minutes. Okay, so Carly, she's applying the second layer, which we're gonna leave it on for about 3 minutes. And then we're gonna neutralize it and put some lovely SPF on. So the second layer is on. My skin is absolutely fine. So it's a little bit pinkish, which is fine. It feels a little bit tingling, but nothing crazy. Absolutely fine. So I'm gonna leave it on all in total for about 8 minutes. So it's 4 minutes and 4 minutes, but you know, this is something that we can work out together. So sometimes we leave it on for 5 minutes and 5 minutes, and if it feels a bit too tingling, maybe a little less. But every treatment that you do, we're gonna try to progress and add on a couple of more minutes. Then again, yeah, it's a little bit pinkish, but nothing crazy. And we're gonna neutralize it in a couple of minutes. So we got a couple of minutes left. I just wanted to diary a little bit what's going on. So my skin has become a little bit pink, but it's totally normal. This specific peel that I'm doing has a little bit of glutathione in there, which is very famous for skin lightening and skin brightening. That's why I like it. And yeah, we can customize this as a program. So sometimes what we do is, you know, we do 3 to 5 treatments, or in some cases you probably need a few more. And the gap in between can be anything for 4 to 6 weeks, and sometimes less, but it's something that we can agree together. So the skin peel has been neutralized, and actually look, you can see my skin is a little pink, but there was absolutely no pain at all. And now we just put in some after cream treatment, so a post-treatment product, still from Cosmo Pro, and it feels amazing. So second stage, after the skin is being re-moisturized and hydrated, Carly, she's putting on some SPF, and that is something that I use daily, all the time, but after the skin peel, it's even more important. And then again, this is a Cosmo Pro SPF. Hi guys, so this is my skin a few minutes after the peel. So as you can see, there's a little bit of redness going on, but nothing crazy. So I just want to clarify one point. A lot of people associate skin peels with a lot of shedding and a lot of peeling. It's not always the case. When we're treating, like today, for example, I treated the very superficial layer, which is called the epidermis. You actually don't get a lot of peeling because I only treated the very superficial layer. When we're treating deeper layers, so we go in the dermis, or sometimes even lower than that, then you get a lot of shedding and a lot of skin peels. With this, you can go back to work the very next day. I always recommend, a course of treatments, but it always depends how your skin is to begin with. But in this case, I always do once every 4 to 6 weeks throughout the winter time. So not a lot of peeling, what we call a lunchtime procedure. So you can have it done and go back to work, but obviously always bear in mind that you will have a little bit of erythema going on. Okay, thank you very much. See you later. Bye.